Hi children, let us do today Viva Early Skills English book today. Okay? Come on children, we have to open page number 1515. Right? 1515 because these few words we have not yet done. So let us see. What is this word children? Ebb. M-S-S. Okay. Now children, let me hide the first word. Now say along with me, ebb. Now, web. Web is what children? It is a house of spider. Web. 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 Now this is what? Gem. Gem. Children, here the sound of G is G, right? But we will not spell it as gem. What we will spell? We will spell it as gem. Yes. So, this is a different sound, right? The phonic sound we are not going to use. Okay, children? So, gem spelling is G-E-M. So, we will spell it like that, J-M, gem. Okay? Now, children, what is gem? Gem is a jewel or a kind of stone that is used in jewelry, like in earring or in necklace. You have a kind of stones that shine, right? That is called gem. Next is hem. Now children, what do you mean by hem? It is a border of a cloth made by folding back an edge and sewing it. So who does it? The tailor. So you can use it in a sentence. The tailor hem my kurta. Yes. Now last is yes. Yes. Tomorrow is a holiday. Okay. When Saturday comes or Sunday comes, right? So on Friday, what we say, children? Tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow is a Saturday. Tomorrow is a holiday. Yes. Like that you say now? Yes. Now, come to next page. Okay, children? Today you have to write the date here. What is the date, children, today? 1/3/13, 1-1010-2020, and write the day also. What is the day? Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday, so today is Tuesday. Yes. Now come on. You can do this activity at home. Okay? This is classroom activity, but as you are not coming to school, at home also you can do this activity. So take cards with letters written on them. A to Z you have to write, children, or parents help them do that. Then separate the vowel E from the cards. Now you have to separate only the vowel E from the cards. Okay? And then call the children one by one. So call your child one by one to pick up any two cards from the pile and make words using the vowel E as the middle sound as shown here. So pen. Okay, children? Okay. Now let's do this activity. Yes. So the first one is choose and write the correct rhyming words. Okay, children? You have to choose the correct rhyming words. Okay? Like say example they have given. What is this? And then they have given hen. Right? You have to clearly listen to the last rhyming word. Then only you can find out this same rhyming word. Okay? Hen, then 10. Okay, children? Ten. Right. So now this is egg, beg. Okay, children? What is it? Beg. Egg, egg. Egg, beg. Beg is what, children? I beg you to help me in doing my homework. आप किसी को बेग करते हो, प्लीज ये चीज मेरे लिए कर दो ना, प्लीज मम्मा आप चॉकलेट लेकर आओ ना. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ एक्शन इज कॉल्ड बेग. ओके, सो सेम राइमिंग वर्ड क्या आएगा? लेट अस सी फ्रॉम दिस बॉक्स. यस. Is this easy word? No. Is this easy word? Yes. See, egg, 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 peg. Okay, so we will write peg here. P, you have to cross the line, okay, and the standing line will cross like this, and the wrong C will come here like this. G also standing line will cross the line. Egg, peg. Peg is what? It is a small stick or a rod where you hang your things. Like Papa hangs his shirt, Mama hangs her sari, or you also in the school hang your bottle, right? Water bottle. So that is egg, peg. Another rhyming word, one more. You have to find out fast. Yes, I can see here. E-G, egg. Egg, egg. Egg, leg. Yes, yesterday we did it, right? On touch the line and write. C and standing line cross the line. So this is egg, leg. Leg is your body part with which you walk. Okay, next. Et. Pet. Pet means animals which you can keep at your home, right? Like dog, cat, parrot. All these animals you can keep at home. So that is pet animals. Okay, now let us see the rhyming word. I can see it here. See, net. Okay, come on, write net. Children, net is what? Did you hear the story of lion and the mouse? What happens there? A hunter man comes and puts the net on the lion. Yes, that is net. When you have to catch hold of someone, so you put the net on them. Okay? So, in this story also we can see the net, and there is another, kind of net. Wait, I'll show you. See, this is also net. Okay? With which we catch fish near the river side. Okay? Okay. Next is what? Wet. W-E-T, wet. Wet is what, children? In rainy season, suddenly, rainy season to hai, lekin you don't know that it is going to rain. And when you go out without an umbrella or without a raincoat, what happens? Suddenly the rain comes and you get what? You get wet. Wet. So what will you say? Oh, it's raining. I got wet in the rain. Right? I got wet in the rain. And Mama washes your clothes. So what happens when she puts the clothes inside the soap water? the shirt or the frock gets wet. Okay? So now next, let us see. Ed, ed. Ed, fed. Fed is what, children? You saw in the educational video, right? A girl was feeding a duck. So let us make another sentence of fed. I fed my pet dog some biscuits. Yes, ed, fed. Now let us see, is there any ed words here in this box? Yes. Come on, say ed, 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 bed. Bed is a play object where you sleep, on which you sleep, just like a table on which you keep the book and write. Bed is a furniture. Okay, bed is a furniture on which you sleep in the night, or in the afternoon you take a nap on the bed. So children, write B standing line and a C curve, wrong C curve, E, then a C and standing line, bed, ed, bed. Let us see another ed word here. I can see ed, 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 red. Yes, red. Red is what? It is a color. Okay, children? Yes, red. So now this page is over. Yes, children. Now come to page number 1717. Yes. Now on this page also you have to write the date. 1/3/13-10-2020 and day is Tuesday. Come on, spell the spelling of Tuesday. Tuesday. Correct. Now what we have to do? Let us read the instruction. Match the picture to the correct word. Okay. Words are written here. Pictures are given here and on this side also. Right? So you have to match. What is this, children? And hen. And hen. Let's see. Is this hen? No. Is this hen? No. Is this hen? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. Starts with H. So match with this letter. And hen. Now this is what, children? Egg, keg. Okay. What do you mean by keg? Keg is a round wooden container. Often it is used to store beer or any other alcoholic drink. Okay, children? So this picture of keg you have to match with K-E-G, keg. Egg, keg. Now next picture is pen. Okay, let us find Here it's P and pen. Okay, match P and pen. Now next is bed. I told you bed is a furniture where you sleep, right? On which you lie down and sleep. So let's see, where is bed? No. Is this bird? No. Is this bird? No. Is this bird? No. Is this bird? No. No. Is this bird? Yes. Bird, ed, bed. Correct. Very good. Now next is egg, leg. Egg, leg. Match. Next is and man. When more than one man is there, then you say and men. See ma. Can you see ma? Yes, and men. Children, you have to find out the word with a phonic sound. Then only you can find out fast. Okay? Then you can do the work fast. Otherwise, it will be difficult. So you have to know the phonic sounds properly. What is this, children? Web. Now let us see the starting letter w. Wind is blowing. W. Yes, W-E-B. W-E-B. Web. Okay. Now next picture is of net. Net. Yes. Net. So this is how we have finished the matching. Okay, children? Bye-bye. Do both this exercise at home. Page number 16 and 17 properly with the guidance of your parents. Okay, bye. Take care.